I decided to put a skid plate back on this truck. I bent it up, the original one, back in 2002. So I want to start going off on trails again, and decided it's a pretty good idea to protect a lot of transmission hoses, oil pan, those type things. So bought this plate from RCI off-road. It's really thick steel, 1/4 inch, so I'm pretty happy with that. Feels pretty rugged. It's got a couple mounting points here. It's got 3 in front that would go to a cross member that goes across here. I bent it up as well whenever I damaged the skid plate, so I ordered a new one of these, but I'm just going to drill some holes. I don't know if you can see this. I'm just going to drill 3 holes here and put something temporary for now, and then replace this whole piece right there later on. The other 2 mounting points are right here on the back, and then 2 on the bottom. Just to show you what I've been doing to prep since it's been almost 20 years. You got this point here, 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 and back here. This one, the nut came off. It's welded on the back, so I'm just gonna put a nut on the bolt on the back side of it to make it work. And what I've been doing is, I guess these are called a thread cleaning or chaser kit. All these bolts are M8, 1.25 threads per inch, or that's maybe threads per centimeter, being metric. But yeah, so I've been just taking these and slowly running them up in there with some PB Blaster and cleaning them out, trying to save the threads. So I've got all 4 of those done. And now we're going to put this thing into place after I drill some holes. All right, we're gonna drill 3 holes in the front here. figured reducing the chances of getting a metal shard on my back would pay off. All right, since I don't have a helper, this is how I'm getting some in here. I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna start with the and jack up. What you want to do is put everything on kind of loose. And then tighten up everything at the end so you can kind of move it around and get it right where it needs to be. Of course, it would help if you had someone to hold and shift things with you. I had to run and get an extension so I can get this guy up in here. Now for the front here, I've got some 10mm diameter bolts, and they're kind of going to be rigged. So what I did for these 10mm bolts, they're 1.5 on the thread pitch. I just cut me some new threads. I'd already probably drilled too big, so they're not really that strong with threads, but I'm gonna put a nut on the back side so it won't matter. All right, back to trying to get these. Let's see what happened there. All right, I'm gonna put these 10mm in now. My alignment's not perfect, but This temporary to hold it. That's it. Looks pretty good. Again, I'll redo that front when I get that new piece in. All right, everything's protected and installed. One of the nice features is they got a hole right here where you can get to your, so I can get up there and see. Yeah, get to your oil plug so it can drain right out here instead of having to take the whole skid plate off. I think I have to do that on the GX 470, so that's nice. Nice little feature to have a hole there. Anyway, so far so good. Maybe we'll get this thing off road and see how it holds up.